Hi guys, hope everyone is doing great. This is Christina. Welcome back to my kitchen. I want to show you quickly how to make some waffle paper flowers. I've never made them either, so it will be a first for me as well. But why not? Why not? We want to challenge ourselves, and we want to improve, and we want to learn something new every day. So waffle paper, it looks like this. You can find it on Amazon, or you can find it in hobby craft or any craft shops. Yeah, it's an editable little paper. It's a sweet taste, and it has a bit of a, if you can see here, it has two sides, smooth side and not so smooth side. So I've cut a couple of petals in different sizes. Yeah, it looks like a little petal, and I have smaller ones, and then I have even smaller ones, and I have some middle ones. So I have 5 of each, because we're going to do a 5 layer flower. So it will look like this. Yeah, and I'll show you how to do one, so you know it will actually complement my little cake, which is right here. Yeah, it's just a dummy cake covered in fondant. Here we go. And I already made some little flowers on it that they're drying at the moment, so we're going to make a big flower on top here, and that's going to be my cake for the collaboration, which is Thursday. So this Thursday coming, the 12th of September. So how we doing this? You literally grab a petal, yep, and you make a little cut here, not a lot. You grab a brush, a bit of water, you water it here, and you cross it to get that V shape in the back. Yeah, just like that. Don't use a lot of water because this paper tends to melt quite quickly, so just be careful. Yeah, show you another one. There you go. So you get that V shape in the back. That's all you want. And just a bit of water on top, so they get a bit curly once they dry it out. That's it. I'll do some more and I'll come back to you guys and I'll show you how to put it together. Stay tuned. So I've started putting them back, so I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, you can see there's a little middle here, and you just start from the outside or from the inside. There's not even a room for this. The important thing is that it looks like a flower at the very end. Yeah, so here we go. Again, using the same little water, and you just tap the end of it, and then it should look fine. There you go. This is how it looks like. It looks like rose, doesn't it? So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. You can of course adjust it where you need to adjust it. Like here, for example, it's coming off the sides, and here as well. So you can always drag it a bit and make it okay. But it's kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try and paint this beauty of it. So just on the edges, yeah, nothing major. bigger brush and I'm gonna put some of this rose dust here. Obviously not a lot. Tap the brush slowly and then just paint your flower. Here you go, guys. This is my picture perfect cake with the white ball behind and underneath, yeah, and a bit of light on. So this is the little cake decoration for the waffle paper flower collab. It's quite pretty and I'm quite happy with it. So it was just a short intervention today to show you how to make this waffle paper. There's a lot of ways that you can make them. This is just one of them. I will show you another tutorial another time. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. There will be a link on the screen at the end. And remember, if you do subscribe, tap that little bell so you get notifications every time I put a video up, which happens normally weekly. And other than that, all good. Take care of yourselves and go break an egg, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Till next time.